Listen, you guys, I'm going to the CT Barber Expo. Hopefully, I win this YouTube Sensation Award. I'll see you guys there. Hey, right now we are here, man. Y'all probably thinking, how did I get home and then get here? That's how it be, man. That's how it be. So we are here at the Connecticut Barber Grammys. How I'm looking though? How am I looking though? That's what I want to know. That's what I want. That's the question. In the comment section below, let me know. Y'all see it. Listen, right now, you guys don't know I got Fonz in the building. Look at Fonz though. Look at Fonz though. Y'all ain't never seen Fonz like this. Ever. Ever.
My mama has once.
You guys, right now, I'm here at the Grammy.
Welcome Dennis Joseph to the stage.
All right, so pause for a minute. All right, I got interrupted. You got Dennis up there from Babylous doing his thing.
Wow, thank you guys. This is quite amazing if you just take a look around and
Next up, J Major came to the stage. Shout out to J Majors, but he's gonna try to congratulate us on how good we looking. We know that. We came in attendance to look this way on purpose. You know what I mean? It was a black tie event. What you thought?
I'm truly speechless. You guys look wonderful tonight.
Hey, straight up, I ain't even gonna hold y'all up. They got right to it. You know what I mean? The Educator Award goes to Chris Bossio. Wait a minute, pause. Do y'all see how Chris Bossio walking up there though? Like, he walking up there like he the president, you know what I mean? Real slow. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. Okay.
It's crazy because when you think of awards, you just like a lot of times you try to stay humble and you just try to say, you know, it's just another award, it's all good, it's not a big deal. But for me, I'm thankful. Like I'm borderline about to cry.
Alright, so it's about to go down, guys. Jeezy is about to get he's about to get this award. If he doesn't get this award, I'm flipping all these tables.
These gentlemen were plugging away to their YouTube subscribers. They constantly drop content and educational videos, producing millions of views. Their work has not gone unnoticed.
The 4 YouTube Sensation of the Year nominees are
Get Beamed. Bossio Cuts. I am David Falla. And 360 Jeezy.
and the CT Grammy Sensational YouTube goes to
360.
I'm spinning though.
360 G.
You guys, listen, it was at this moment where I was walking up on stage and my heart was beating out of my chest. Literally like this. Like
Jared Stovall, aka 360 Jeezy, is 32 and hails from California. His charisma, sense of humor, and hard work led to the growth of his YouTube page to boast 2.1 million subscribers.
listen, when I whipped out the brush, that's when I was like, you know what, let me shake it off. All right, let me shake it off. Then I started running on stage, you know what I mean, to really just shake it all off, just to get the nerves off me.
Million views since his channel was created in 20.
So as I got on stage, all I kept thinking is, man, my speech. I ran past my award. I wasn't even gonna say what's up to Jackie Star or Rob the Original.
Was created in 2012.
So after I took the award, this is what I had to say.
Uncle Cam, we made it! We made it! Listen, first and foremost, I would like to thank God. And I'm not just saying that. I know y'all seen my Instagram video. I really do mean that. This whole journey has been faith-driven. And I'm gonna share a little bit about my testimony. 5 years ago, I was working at a dead-end job, and my uncle we was working in this room together, and my uncle was like, man, the place is about to close down. You know what I mean? What we gonna do? What we gonna do for work? So we just wrapping it up, talking, and you know, I really feel that the Holy Spirit just pressed upon him because he just started breaking down and crying, and he just started pointing at me. Then he called his wife, and I'm like, hold on, wait a minute, like you calling your wife, but talk to me first. You know what I mean? I need to hear this. So he's just going on talking to his wife. He gets off the phone and tells me, look, you need to go to barber school. And I was like, man. So I procrastinated on it. He kept saying like, did you go to school yet? Did you check it out? So I eventually checked it out. Before this, I was going to this art academy when I got out of school because I really wanted to be an artist. So I called the people and they told me, look, I had a loan that I had to pay off. So I was like, dang, I can't even go to school until 6 months to showing to pay it off. So I called the people and they was like, look, I don't know what you're talking about. You don't got a loan that you got to pay off. I don't know what you're talking about. So I immediately said, hey, send over the email. I need to get in school, blase, out, and the door opened. Right, I was able to go to school. And through this process, it was straight up hard work, all right, just constant grinding. I ended up losing it all. Mind you, I didn't have a job. I lost my whole family, my kids, everything. Everything was stripped from me. But as long as I was able to take a step foot forward, I was able to go to school. So I created my whole Instagram. Y'all turn on the music? J Major. But to make a long story short, when you trust in God and you push forward and you believe and you keep the faith, great things happen. I want to give a shout out to my sister, RIP. She's the one that told me to get on YouTube and do these videos. I want to give a shout out to my brother Brandon for making my beats. I want to give a shout out to Uncle Kev for being by my side, believing in me day after day. And also, I want to give a shout out to my dad because without him, seeing his hard work, raising 4 kids by himself, man, I wouldn't be able to see what hard work looks like. You know what I mean? So, listen, I was so nervous that I forgot to thank my wife, Shannon Stovall. I appreciate you for all the work that you do, for consistently just taking care of the household, watching the kids, for letting me do what I do as, you know, the man of the house. I really appreciate you. Love you, babe. Thanks. Appreciate everybody that supports me, man. I really thank you. We here. For all the students out there, this was 5 years ago. I was a student 5 years ago. With hard work, dedication, we here. It's 360 GZ. So I got the award for YouTube sensation. Pretty nice. All right, now it's time to turn up. Listen, you guys. When I met Diego, it got real.
Shout out to 360 GZ in the building. Congratulations on your awards. You know I had to get the Hype Beast of the Year award for the first ever Barber Grammys. You know what time it is?
Let me get it. Hold on. Hey, listen, y'all. Y'all don't, hold on. You got to see this. You got to see this. You got to be in the correct frame. It was a couple of years ago when I was in barber school, right? We took a picture together. I'm gonna put it up so y'all can see it. Oh, shit. I took a picture with this man. And it was like, man, one day. You know what I mean? Yeah. And we was at the barber battle in San Francisco. Yeah. So,
yes, sir. And now we out here. Now we out here getting awards here. Yo, much love. Congratulations, bro. You already know what it is. 360 GZ.
What award that? You gonna put it away?
Nah, I put it up. Listen, I won an award. Y'all already seen it.
He said, and you better be in the right frame.
Listen, right now we got a waiver in the building. All right, it's real. Wave check. Wave check. Woo! Okay.
Y'all wasn't playing with me here. Shout out Harvey here.
Listen, we have another waiver in the building. Right now. It's about to go down, okay? If he not spinning, okay, we will all
witness.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. It's there?
Don't worry.
We there?
And I got a little surprise for you.
Okay. Let's see this. Wave check. Woo! Okay, he up there. Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, we in there. Listen, waivers, we ain't playing out here.
No game.
CT Barber Expo, we ain't playing.
Game.
It's
No
real.
game. We call this Penny. We call this Penny over here in Buffalo, the 716. We call this Penny right here. So you know what I'm saying? That's how we do, baby.
We out. Hey, check it out, you guys. This event is lightweight dope though, right? If y'all ain't here, y'all need to be here, alright? Y'all need to come next year. Do something to get here, alright? It's very inspirational. It's a lot of people out here. And this is just nothing but barbers, alright? We just nothing but barbers out here trying to have fun, trying to be inventive and innovative. I think that's the right word. I don't, you know what I mean? The technological terms, you know, I'm not really good with that. But at the same time, I'm just saying y'all need to be here, man. Nothing but barbers. What's up? Wait a minute. Come on. Y'all will be the judge right now, okay? Let YouTube be the judge. Let YouTube be the judge. Listen, rate his wave right now. Listen.
Can you surf on the motherfucker? 4.5?
You said how? What is we rating on? 4.5?
4.5.
YouTube, what is it? 4.5? He's a barber. Okay.
Yo, this is my man DJ Bogey. He's rocking the party.
Listen, okay, let me see. Hold on, we got another wave.
Competition, watch this.
We got another wave. Listen.
Watch this. All the way around. And my man Al the barber cut that, so I know it's
Listen, I'm gonna try to get on stage with Hawk the Barber. I'm gonna just try to pop up on stage right quick.
360 easy. Yo,
I just want to be on stage.
Yo, bro. This might not even make the cut. But yo, we out here, CT Barber Expo, Chicago, Atlanta. Where you from, brother?
California.
Cali in the building.
This my dude right here, bro. He don't even know it, but this is my dude right here, bro. For real, man.
Hey, we out. He's spinning up there. You already know. Listen, we got another waiver.
Hey,
we got another waiver.
Wavy James, man.
Come on now.
Wavy James, man.
It's all good. Listen, you gotta recognize a real waiver when you see a real waiver. You got to understand that we out here, we taking over. The waiver in the game, we is not playing out here. Listen, right now, what we're about to witness is something extravagant. It's a little, what I'm looking at right now is something extravagant. Y'all can't see it because I'm down here. But once I lift it up, you see the light pad. You see it. You see it. Listen, it don't matter. It ain't got anything about that. It's all good. Waivers unite right now. Waivers is uniting right now.
You know it.
Is it recording? Still recording? Okay. Listen, right now, we are back at it again. Waivers unite. You see it, we are here. At this event, we out here. Listen, YouTube, they got something to say. I don't know what it is that they gonna say, but they gonna have something to say. What's up? Talk to them. Talk to them.
NFA Barbering. Shout out to El Finesse. El Finesse in the building.
Okay.
NFA Barbering.
Alright. Listen, you guys, you don't even know right now. I'm here with A-Rod.
Yo, what up?
Millie,
Hey,
man. What's
360 Jeezy, you already know. We on YouTube, people. CT Barber Expo 2019 is going crazy, bro.
Hey. Listen, right now, I'm at the Tomb 45 booth, alright? And they're always trying to outdo everybody. They think they're the better team, you know what I mean? Look at Tomb 45 in their booth. They think that they're all of that, you know what I mean? They're doing their thing and everything, you know what I mean? It's all good.
Shout out, yo, Fonz, custom power map for my boy. It's not your moment, bro.
See how I do them? I just interrupt. It's over. Fonz, listen, did you think I was going to win?
Let's just say that a lot of those tables didn't get flipped. It was a very successful acceptance. He ran fast.
I had to get
it was
the
like
jitters
having
off.
I saw it's like a superhero with a cape. I just seen the wind just drag as he ran.
I had to get the nervous jitters off, you know.
That's right. You did tell me you were kind of nervous.
Heart was just beating. Heart was just beating out of my chest right then. When I ran, got on stage, I couldn't see nobody. The lights were on me,
So heart beating, went blind. A lengthy but very well said speech.
It was lengthy?
Bro, they turned on the music.
Dang.
First person that ever had the music turned on them as they spoke. That was you.
Listen, you guys, listen. It's over. It's over. All right, great experience. Kev, what do you feel about it?
Hey, great experience. Awesome experience. Anybody who's a barber, they should come out and experience and get encouraged. I mean, that's what really, and then getting to meet all the different people is awesome.
Yeah.
Be encouraged.
We out.
Peace.